Hello and welcome to iCalculator's video series on US tax basics. In this video, we'll be focusing on the state of Nevada. We will cover the state's history, types of taxes with detailed explanations, and the various tax exemptions available so you can make better informed financial decisions for yourself or your business. Nevada became the 36th state in the United States on October 31, 1864. The state's main GDP comes from industries such as tourism, mining, and manufacturing. Nevada's unique cultural and economic features, including its famous entertainment industry in Las Vegas and its rich mineral resources, have shaped its tax system. The state has experienced various tax-related events, including the implementation of a sales tax in 1955 and the absence of a state income tax. It is important to understand the various taxes and tax exemptions available in Nevada, so you get the most from your money. First, let's take a look at the different type of taxes. Sales and use tax, property tax, modified business tax, motor fuel tax, and cigarette and tobacco tax. Now let's take a look at these different types of tax in further detail. Sales and use tax. This tax applies to most goods and services sold within the state. It is collected by businesses and remitted to the state government. Property tax, a tax imposed on real estate and personal property, which is determined by local governments based on property value. Modified business tax, a tax levied on the total wages paid by employers, with some exceptions. Motor fuel tax, a tax on gasoline, diesel fuel, and other motor fuel sold within the state. Cigarette and tobacco tax, a tax imposed on the sale of cigarettes and other tobacco products in the state. Now we have covered the different types of taxes in detail, let's now take a look at the various tax exemptions available in Nevada. There are various tax exemptions available in Nevada, including sales tax exemptions. Exemptions include groceries, prescription medications, newspapers, and certain services, such as medical and legal services. Property tax exemptions. Exemptions include the homeowner's exemption for primary residences, exemptions for seniors, veterans, disabled individuals, and certain types of agricultural and conservation land. Modified business tax exemptions. Exemptions include employers with a total payroll below a certain threshold and certain types of non-profit organizations. Motor fuel tax exemptions. Exemptions include fuel used for agricultural purposes, fuel used by government entities, and fuel used by certain mass transit systems. Cigarette and tobacco tax exemptions. Exemptions include sales to the US government and sales for export outside the state. That is all for this video on Nevada tax basics. We hope that this Nevada state tax guide was helpful in providing you with a better understanding of the state's tax system. By knowing more about the history, types of taxes, how taxes work and the various exemptions available, you can make better informed financial decisions for yourself or your business. Be sure to stay tuned for the next state tax guide in this series, or check out our US Tax Basics playlist. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.